All right, so I've left off from where the last video about lines ended, so I'm just gonna delete most of this. And by the way, you can delete a line by clicking it, hitting delete. You can revert just through Control Z. You can revert through undo, and you can redo. Redo is Control Y. So I'm gonna delete all of this. You can highlight everything, delete. So we're gonna go over to the coincident uh, constraint. It is the one you're gonna use probably the most. And so what a coincident does is, let's say I have these 2 points. I want them to be connected. First of all, I could just drag one over and now it's coincident, right? It'll give you this little icon here. The reason it works is if you notice there's like this little square that appears and then there's this little, almost like a pickaxe sign right over the right line. Um, or you can also do this more manually and you can click the 2 points and then you can click coincident, which will then link them together. And then now if I move one, it moves the other around. So if I move 1 point, it moves the other point. Coincident doesn't just work for point to point, it can work for point to line as well. And also the shortcut is I. So if I click 1 point and I click the line, then you'll notice that this point will always be on this line. It can go off the line, but will always be on some continuation of the line. Yeah. The last thing to know is that you can coincident a point to the origin. So like I said, you can drag it to the origin, right, and lock that point there. And so essentially that point can now no longer move at all. Yeah.